श्रीकृष्ण करणामृतम आश्वासम 1 श्लोकम 94 केयं कान्तिः केशव त्वन्मुखेन्दोः कोऽयं वेशः कापि वाचामभूमिः सेयं सोयं स्वादतामञ्जलिस्ते भूयो भूयो भूयशस्त्वां नमामि. O Keshava, how shall I describe the light in your moon-like face? How shall I describe to others your present form? That light and that body are sweet and pretty, and again and again I salute them. Slokam 95 Vadanendu vinirjitasya dasadeva padam prapadyate adhikam sriyamasnute taram tava karunya vijrumbhitam kiyat. Lord Krishna, how can I describe your great mercy? Because the moon, being defeated by your face, lost all pride and appeared in your 10 nails of your feet, and is getting much more brilliance than he ever had. Slokam 96 Tattvanmukham kadhamivaambujatulyakaksham वाचामवाचिननु पर्वणि पर्वणीन्दोः तत्किं ब्रुवे किमपरं भुवनैककान्त वेणुत्वदानवमनेन समं नु यत्स्यात्. Your face, which is complete with several crescents of sweet words, can never be compared to the moon rising from the sea or the lotus. How can I ever describe its prettiness, and if need something to compare it, I should combine all the pretty things in the world and try. Slokam 97 Susrushase yadi sruna pranidhana purvam purvairapurvakanibhirnakatakshitam yat नीराजनक्रमधुरां भवदाननेन्दोर् निर्व्राजमर्हति चिरायु शशिप्रदीपः. If you want to hear great words which were not told, and if you want to hear them from me, please hear. The moon can become a light and take up the job of doing nirajanam to your face without any expectation for a long time. Slokam 98 Akhanda nirvana rasa pravahair vighandita sesha rasantarani ayantrito sudharnavani jayanti sitani tavasmitani. Your smile, which is the broad flow of the extract of salvation, blows away the sweetness of every other thing known to us, and is the place where the sea of the nectar stays, and are cooling my eyes and are victorious. Slokam 99 Kamam santu sahasrasah katipaye सारस्य धौरेयकः कामं वा कमनीयता परिमल स्वराज्यबद्धौ रताः नैवैवं विवदामहे न च वयं देव प्रियं ब्रूमहे यत् सत्यं रमणीयता परिणति स्त्वय्येव पारंगता. O God, let there be few or thousands of very lucky people. Let there be very many people competing to be most pretty. Let the God of love, Indra and others compete for this. Sri Krishna Karanamrutam, Asvasam 1, Slokam 100. Mandaramule Madanabhiramam Bimbadharapurita Venunadam Gogopa Gopi Janamadhya Samstham Gopam Bhaje Gokula Purnachandram Gopam Bhaje Gokula Purnachandram. I pray that cowherd who is the full moon of Gokula, who is more attractive than love god Manmatha, sitting below wish-giving tree and playing the flute sweetly, and is in between cows, gopis and gopas. Slokam 101. Gatadvridalola madana vinata gopavanita madaspitam vitam kimapi madhura chapaladhura samujrumbha gumbha madhurimakiram madrushagiram tvayisthane jati dadhati chapalam janma Sapalam Tvayisthane jate dadhati chapalam janma sapalam. My listless life has become one of great success because of your birth, which made the passionate gopis crowding around you without shyness for love of play, while the music they sung is dripping sweet like honey, and your playfulness was even sweet for great yogis, and words of mine have become sweet like those of a poet. Slokam 102. Bhuvanam bhavanam vilasini sristanayastamarasasanasmarascha Parichara paramparaha surendraha tadapi tvacharitam vibho vichitram. Lord Krishna, your history is very strange, O God. For your home is this world, your lover Lakshmi Devi. Your sons are Lord Brahma and the God of love Manmatha, and your servants are devas along with their king. Slokam 103. Devastriloki saubhagya kasturi makarankurah Jiyadrajanganananga kelilalita vibhramaha. Let victory be that of Krishna, who with his musk tilaka is the great ornament for all the three worlds, and he is the one who is interested in love play with Vraja maidens. Slokam 104. Premadancha me kamadancha me vedanancha me vaibhavancha me जीवनंच मे जीवितंच मे दैवतंच मे देवना param. There is no God for me except Lord Krishna, who gives me love, who gives me passion, who gives me wisdom, who gives me wealth, who gives me soul and also very long life. Slokam 105. माधुर्येण विवर्धन्तां वाचो नस्तव वैभवे चापल्येन विवर्धन्तां चिन्तानस्तव शैशवे. Let my words become sweet because I am listening out your greatness, and let my mind become pure because I am thinking of your place of childhood. Slokam 106. यानि त्वच्चरितामृतानि रसना लेह्यानि धन्यात्मनाम् येवाशैशवचापलन्यतिकरा राधावरोधोन्मुखाः यावाभावितवेणुगीतगतयो लीलामुखम्भोरुहे धारावाहिकया वहस्तु हृदये तान्येव 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 मे. धारावाहिकया वहस्तु हृदये तान्येव 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 मे. Let the nectar-like stories of yours that are tasty like juicy food for the blessed, your not so suitable place that you did with Radha, and the sweetest tunes from your flute that came from the mischievous face of yours, again and again, again and again flow into my mind without stop. Slokam 107. भक्तिस्त्वयि स्थिरतरा भगवन् यदि स्यात् दैवेन नः फलति दिव्यकिशोरमूर्तिः मुक्तिस्वयं मुकुलिताञ्जलिसेवते स्मान् धर्मार्थकामगतयः समयप्रतीक्षाः. O God, if you have firm devotion to your childhood form, salvation would come and reach me with folded hands, but dharma, wealth and desires would reach me only at prescribed times, and so let my devotion to you be stable. Slokam 108. Jaya 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 Deva 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 Tribhuvana Mangala Divya Namadeya Jaya 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 Deva Krishna Deva Sravana Manonayanamrutavatara. Victory, victory, victory to God, whose name brings all the good to the three worlds. Victory, victory to the God-child Krishna, whose incarnation is sweet to hear and see unto the mind. Slokam 109. Tubhyam nirbhara harsha varsha vivasha veshasputa virbhavad भूयश्चापल भूषितेषु सुकृतां भावेषु निर्भाषिणे श्रीमद्गोकुलमण्डनाय मनसां वाचां च दूरे स्फुरन् माधुर्यैकमहार्णवाय महसे कस्मैचिदस्मै नमः. My salutations you who has come in front of me, who is being decorated by torrential rain of happiness and shining by the intense desire, who is decorated by ebbing childish pranks, who appears clearly in the mind of the holy souls, who is an ornament for the Gokula blessed with wealth, who is great and is far beyond the reach of words, who is like a sea for happiness and is shining, and who cannot be adequately described by any one. Slokam 110. Ishana deva charanabharanena nividamodara sthira yashastava kodgameva लीलाशुकेन रचितं तव देव कृष्ण कर्णामृतं वहतु कल्पशतान्तरेऽपि। लीलाशुकेन रचितं तव देव कृष्णकर्णामृतं वहतु कल्पशतान्तरेऽपि। O God Krishna, Leela Shuka, who considers the feet of Lord Shiva as his ornament and who is desirous of writing a famous prayer addressed to Krishna, who was tied by Yashoda, has composed this nectar to the ears of Krishna, which he hopes would be sweet to him after billions of years also. Slokam 111. धन्यानां सरसानुलापलहरी सौरभ्यमभ्यस्यताम् कर्णानां विवरेषु कामपि सुधा वृष्टिं दुहानं मुहुः वन्यानां सुदृशां मनोनयनयोर्मग्नस्य देवस्य सह कर्णानां वचसां विजृम्भितमहो कृष्णस्य कर्णामृतम् अनुग्रहद्विगुणविशाललोचनैरनुस्मरन् मृदुमुरलीरवमृतैः यतो यतः प्रसरति मे विलोचनं ततस्ततः स्फुरतु तवैव वैभवम्। इति श्री कृष्णकर्णामृते प्रथम आश्वास संपूर्णम्. Thus ends the first chapter of the nectar to the ears of Lord Krishna. Thus ends the first chapter, Prathama Asvasa of Sri Krishna Karnamrutam, the nectar to the ears of Lord Krishna, written by Leela Shuka and translated into English by Kerala Brahmin P.R. Ramachandar and rendered by Andhra Brahmin Dr. Goli. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Mangalam Kosalendraya Mahaniya Gunatmane Chakravarti Tanujaya Sarvabhaumaya Mangalam. Sriyah Kantaya Kalyana Nidhaye Nidhayerdhinam Sri Venkatanivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Om Tat Sat. Harihi Om.